Don't sit down uncomfortably on the couch looking up way up high above the fireplace just to watch TV. Hi, my name is Will Vitella, home technology expert. Here on this project, you can see I installed a customized home technology expert pull-down TV bracket where I could do not only the TV, but also a Sonos soundbar speaker underneath. So that way, when you're ready to watch that Netflix and just binge watch all night, you can pull down the TV, grabbing on the pull-down handle located underneath the television set, and bring down that TV so you're just nice sitting down, comfortable watching the TV without straining your neck. And look how clean and simple and professional I do the installations. From the drilling, the wiring, the drywall repair work, the texturing, and the touch-up painting. When you want to get it done right, you go to hometechnologyexpert.com and click on Schedule a Free Estimate. Wow, now that's simple.